Why not take to the skies over SeaWorld and the beautiful Gold Coast in one of our very own helicopters? Our professional pilots will guide you above Australia's most stunning coastline for an experience you'll always remember. Flight bookings can be made at the route directly adjacent to our pedal boats. SeaWorld Aviation, the only way to experience the beauty of the Gold Coast from the sky above.